What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this awesome massage gun from the brand in exchange for my review. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Now this is the RENPHO Active Evo massage gun. It's a little bit different from some of their others because it's got some adjustable features on it. RENPHO always does a nice case for their massage guns. So here is the one for the Active Evo, nicely packaged. There is the massage gun with all of the pieces. Really awesome. They're actually silicone-coated, which I think is an upgrade from just a hard plastic, and they are flexible and soft. I can move them. This is going to make for a really nice percussion massage. So you've got that head, you've got this one right here, you've got this really interesting paddle shape. I've never seen this before, but I bet you can do it for like really moving through muscle like that. Standard, everyone always includes foam ball, nice hard foam rubber ball. And then this one here is my favorite because I love to just dig into my shoulders with this wide prong massage head. Let's talk about the massage gun. Really beautiful silicone grip here. Feel buttery soft in my hand, and I like how that feels. This one here actually has a larger battery capacity than their other massage guns, which means that you are going to get up to 5 hours of massage time per charge, and that's big, especially if you take this with you on a trip or something. You can use it over the duration of a long trip and know that it's not going to run out of charge. It comes with a couple of these little rubber couplings that go on the end. That's to help the connection of the massage heads to the unit. It also comes with the USB-C connection charger right there. It's a double C. Plug it in right here, and then you plug this into a block on the wall, let it charge for a few hours, and you're ready to go. Long press will turn it on just like that, and it's going to light it up, so it tells you what the battery percentage is, which is good. Now generally they say you should charge these first before using them. I've just taken it out of the box, so I'm not going to use it very much. But this here is your amplitude adjustment. Now it has amplitudes from 8 millimeters to 12 millimeters. So depending on which body part you're massaging, you can switch the amplitude. Did you hear that? That is the adjustment that's happening inside the machine. So you can go from the largest amplitude here, you can see that I'm at a 12, to all the way down to an 8, and then it's narrowing right down. So now that we have it all set up, let's turn it on. A long press turns it on. A short press goes from rest to level 1, and there we go. We have it operating. That is level 2. There we have level 3, and you can hear it amping up as I press the buttons. Level 4 and level 5. Now that is your top speed. Now you can also adjust the amplitude as I showed you before, but you have to do it before the massager is in motion. So if you want to adjust the amplitude, long press to bring it down to rest, and then you can change the amplitude, make it larger. It's gonna adjust, and then we can go through the levels again, just like that. And there we go. Now, unlike a lot of different massage heads, these ones here are screw in. So that's how you know you're getting a good connection. You push and screw just like that, and it's not just gonna pop off as I'm massaging. I really like the feel of these massage heads. This silicone rubber feels different than the hard plastic ones that you often get with massagers. And I think it's definitely an upgrade that you would be here for. In my profession, I am a teacher, but in my volunteer time, I am a coach. I coach cross country, track, badminton, and I manage a hockey team. So I'm around athletes all the time, and I never ever take a road trip without a massage gun. I love this RENPHO. I love the way it feels in my hand. It's super comfortable, weighs about 3 pounds, so it's not too heavy, and it is a really, oh my gosh. Ooh. This is awesome. I've used a lot of massage guns in my time, but I really like this RENPHO Active Evo. I definitely will not be gifting this to anyone. I will be keeping this and enjoying it. My athletes depend on the massage gun to help with preparation for competition and recovery. This is definitely one that I would consider purchasing for my sports teams because I really like the quality, different pieces. It feels really nice. I also like that I can adjust the bezel to make it better suited for different body parts. And I think that this is a pretty awesome machine, aside from the fact that it looks sexy. It has a 10-minute auto off feature. So if you have it powered up to 0, which is basically standby, it will stay like this for 10 minutes. So if you put it in the case and forget to shut it off, it will shut off by itself in 10 minutes. Now, the other thing is that auto off, in 10 minutes, it is going to shut itself off so that you will have to do a reset. But that's a good way to give you the opportunity to switch out the heads, try a little bit of different approach approach, and definitely it is a nice way to make sure you don't over massage an area. High quality construction and materials selected, and I love the snazzy case that you can use to transport everything. It definitely makes this an awesome product, whether you're using it for a gift, buying it for yourself, or buying it for whatever organization you're connected to, whether it be sports or working out or anything else like this. Add to that the fact that you've got an extended battery life in this one, 4 to 5 hours of constant run time. This is going to give you a really good massage for your money. So if you are looking for a great new massage gun to add to your collection, you want to go top shelf level and get yourself the RENPHO Active Evo. This is a phenomenal little massage gun. Super impressed with it out of the box. Can't wait to add it to my repertoire. Definitely going to be the favorite I'm reaching for all the time. I think this one here is going to be a family favorite at my house.